my beautiful people, welcome to my channel. I was just cleaning up from the kids' Valentines to do another setting, and I said, what am I gonna do with these hearts? I know you could scatter them all around, but I think I run out of space, and I still might use some of them. But then I came up with a quick idea. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing for this DIY. Got my glue sticks, glue gun, glue sticks, scissors, my hearts, my fishing wire. So I'm going to show you what I'm about to do just to create something really quick. This was nothing planned to go on video, so I hope you could see what I'm doing. So right now, I'm just adding some glue. And this is the fishing line. I don't think you could see it. And then I'm gonna... Hi, beautiful people. I noticed, I was looking over the video and I noticed that you didn't see how I did the first hearts. So this is the fishing net, and I folded in two, and then I have the two ends meeting down below. And then I'm going to take the glue stick, my glue gun, and I'm going to put a dab right there. And then I'm going to take the fishing net, I don't know what you call it, and then I'm going to take the other art and put over it. Just make a sandwich. See that? And that's it right there. Okay? And these, I made all of these so far. So I'm going to show you how I display it soon. Okay? Thank y'all. Don't forget to subscribe. And as you see, my box right here, I will be tackling this in a few minutes. Strawberry cheesecake cupcake. Holla. For people, I'm here to show you the finishing of my DIY. I'm just showing you my tree right now, and look at that. Look at this beauty right here. See my DIYs that I just did with the hearts, and I displayed them all over my beautiful white tree. And look at my birds. Do you hear them twerping, tweaking, everything that they do? Holla! They are enjoying the love, enjoying the love. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. I could say this tree came in handy. I could do a lot of stuff with this tree. Okay. So this is my beautiful tree with my birds singing their song, their little melody, while they feeling all the love that I gave them. Holla! Mega, mega. Okay, so thank y'all for seeing how I displayed my beautiful DIYs that I just did. And then I just add some tea light candles inside of it. So that's what you see and shining over there. Okay? So thank y'all so much for watching. The next episode will be my Valentine table escape, at least one. Okay? Have a blessed night.